So now all the students or the viewers, we will see the Bing advanced search operators. So what is called Bing advanced search operators? So in previous lectures we have seen Google advanced search operators, which will be helpful to the user for selecting a particular information from where they can get the maximum result. So now the Bing is one type of search engine which gives its own facilities to the user to search any queries on a Bing search engine. So Bing has also given an advanced search operators. So we will see what are the advanced search operators which can be helpful to the user how to search the query. So each search engine provides their set of search operators. Being a popular search engine also provides a set of its own search operators. So each search engine provides their own search operators. So the Bing is a search engine. It provides us their own search operators which can be helpful to the user to search the query. So these operators can be given as here in the below tables. We can see the operators, short description of it, SEO application and examples. So first one operator is a link from domain. So the link from domain operators gives us a facility, the list of all pages that gives a domain links out. So link from domain operators in Bing search engine provides all the pages that have a domain links out, means particular domain link that will display all the pages. So SEO application, it gives a pages to which competitor link out to. If you want a competitor link out to see the details of it, you can use link from domain website name dot domain name. Here we will see in an example of how the link from domain are working. So here in the browser I will type the bing.com. It's one type of search engine. In previous lectures we are typing google.com. So now the special operator is given by the Bing search engine. So here I have typed the Bing search engine. Now I will execute my advanced search operator link from domain. See here you have already given in one examples, but we will change the word, and here we will specify Flipkart, because in our example also is given a Flipkart. You can use any of the web domain. So here the Flipkart has given. So you can see all the pages of the Flipkart will be displayed. See, you specified only Flipkart. If you specified here the domain name, sorry for the disturb. So Spkm Jetpur.org, then it will display all the pages of Spkm Jetpur.org. See here. But if you do not specify here the link from domain, you can check out the URL of website so that you have clear-cut ideas. Suppose if I will remove the link from domain and only searching the things Spkm Jetpur, then it gives me an Spkm Jetpur as well as another website name is also there. See here, the domain name has been changed. See here, indiacareer.com, icbse.com, facebook.com. So the things is that when you are specifying a domain link or a link from domain, then it gives all the pages of a particular domain. Then next operator is contains. So the contains operator is used to get all the pages of specified file type. If you want a specific file type, then you can use a contains operator. It's give pages of specific document. Contains :WMA. Over here is an example. Suppose we will change here and write down contains :PDF SEO. See here, you will got the information of SEOs, but the content is same. So the things is that you will, when use a contains, at that time it gives you an information of SEOs when the SEO term is matching out. So then next one operator is IP operators. It is used to search a specified IP restricted search. If any website has restricted the IP search, then you can use it. So here SEO application, it is specified the IP, so you can use it IP directly, IP colon. Here we will specify, I don't know the IP, but sorry for that, I will using a particular IP which has been given here. So it gives me a particular IP website. So these are the IPs which has given a particular website. So these operators can be used in Google's Bing advanced search operators. So in body, same operators like in text in Google, it will search a specific words from your body tag in the web page. It is used to search the page body for the specified keywords. It finds a page which contains the most optimized body text. Here is an example in body cell equivalent Google in text. So here is an example, it equivalent to a Google text operator. Here it specifies that. Then location or LOC operators. It search based on location. If you want to find out a particular location of a user, then you can use it. It is used to search a geo-specific documents. Here is an example offer location :in. It will says that in India, if you want to check it out, then you can use it. Then the next operator is called a feed operator. It is used to search a result based on the terms in RSS field. It finds a relevant feeds which are available. Here is an example: feed : search. Then next is has feed. So has feed is operator is used to search result for a page linking to the feeds. It finds a page's link to a relevant feeds. Here is an example: has feed : sales site. Second example: flipkart.com. So these are the operators which are available on the Bing search engines, which can be used by the SEO person when they are optimizing a website. So next, more advanced search operators techniques is also given by the Googles. So what is called advanced search operators techniques? So it will be used anywhere in a web browser or any search engine. So these are the different advanced search operators techniques which can be used. So first one is determining the keyword difficulties. So how you will determine the keyword has a difficulties? The keyword difficulties is very much complex task for the search engine. The keyword design ratio is going out to be a competitive process. This can be known by while designing a web page. So whenever the user is designing a web page, at that time the keyword design ratio is a competitive process. This information is difficult to get initially. Ranking a keyword is a tedious process. For this, we can use some operator such as in title keywords. So when you are developing a particular web page, at that time initially you will get a difficult things because keyword selection process is a very difficult task. So some operators such as they can use in title keywords. This operator shows the pages which are more focused on search term than the page which are written without those pages. So this operators gives a more focus on search terms because the pages is written a keyword. If they will not search, then it will not give the result. So we can take a difficult ratio for getting a sense of competitive keyword marketing. So how it will difficult? We will see an examples. Suppose the insurance versus insurance. You you have specified in title keyword, and both will get different result in different search engine. So if you want to calculate the ratio of exact pass, so you can see the examples here. If you remove the 0, then the result is 108 and 12. And if you calculate the ratio, then you will get the ratio 9:1. So in keyword operator can also be used for the purpose if you want to use it. So these are the things which you can use in a particular search techniques. Advanced doc search, with this parameter we can find those documents based on their types. If the types is clear, then you can search of a particular type documents which are available on the Googles. We can create the document which have the same data type as mentioned in the search query. So you can get the document with the same data type, means we have specified before in earlier examples PPT, PDF. So you can specify the same data type in the search query. There is no any restriction on the search query. You cannot specify this type of data types. For this, we can use a file type keyword as given below example. Insurance plan minus template file type : doc. That means the keyword is insurance plan, but you want to remove the template and file type is document. So here you can see the two keywords, two special operators are using. Minus, it will not consider the template, and file type : doc, it will require only doc document, doc file extension document. Second, bank research file type : PDF, then it will returns only the PDF file of a particular bank research. So I think up to this point you all have a clear ideas. So the next point is determining a listing as. So how to determine the listing as? It provides a result on the dates. So if you require a particular dates result, then it will provide. Get result based on how all the result are. If the result is old, it will display to you. Then if you want to know how the old result is, then you can use it. For example, this can be done by adding the $as minus QDR is equal M99 parameter to the end of ACRP URL. Means the URL which you get, and at the end of the URL, if you specify $as QDR is equal M99, then it will gives you a result of 99 months old result. Here also those results will be shown which are published within past 99 months. So you will got the result, but it will past 99 months result you will got. Then after, the next point is uncovering a subscribers only for deleted content. So if the content is deleted, anything, maybe it's a image, text, video is deleted, and you have subscribed it, then how you can get this result? So here case keyword operator is used to get the deleted content from the case link of a web pages from the ACRP. So you can get these things from the ACRP, the case which are available on a page. Then this can be done by adding %strip is equal 1 to the end of the URL for removing the images from the page. So if you want to remove a particular image from the past data content, so you can use adding %strip is equal 1 at the end of the URL. Identifying the neighborhoods. The related operators is used to find the site which are linking to the specified site and finding the other sites which are linked to the linking sites. So the related operator is used to find the sites which are linked to the specified site. So many times a website is linked with another website. In previous examples we have seen the Saurashtra University is providing the MHRD website link, UGC link. So this type of linking of sites, these links are known as the neighborhoods, and it shows a strong relationship between sites that have a similar link graph. So this type of things is also possible in neighborhood links. So the next point is finding a Creative Commons, the CC license content. So what is this CC license content? We can use the as_right parameters in the URL of a page to find a Creative Commons license content. If you specified the Creative Commons license content, below are some of the examples of CC license material on the web. These CC license materials will give you details of different keywords like as_rights is equal CC_public domain, CC_attributes, CC_share links, CC_non-derived. Here you can see the CC_commercial, and here you have specified removing the CC_non-derived. Here he specified the commercial, and Q is equal keywords. So we need to replace the keyword with appropriate keywords that can help to find relevant content on the site. SEO indirectly valued by CC license content. So SEO is indirectly valued by the CC license content, and if the appropriate keyword will help to find the content of the site. So this is the things which can be helpful to the user when they are using a finding Creative Commons. So now we will see the next points. The next point is country specific search engine. So what is called a country specific search engine? So up to this point we have seen the search engine is working all over the globe. Whatever the search engine is, they providing their services in all over the world, and the user of the search engine is also from all over the world. So you want to know which search engine is most popular on a specific country, then you would like to know the country specific search engine. So here we will see how the search engine are providing on different countries. So search is turning out to be a global entity. Search can be used anywhere and all over the world. Google is a most dominant search engine. According to report by ComScore in 2011, Google receives about 68.9% of traffic worldwide. See what this says that ComScore. The ComScore has generated a report in 2011 June, and out of 100% we can say Google receives 68.9% traffic of overall worldwide. Google holds a narrow share 42.3% in Asia Pacific region. So in Asia Pacific region, if you consider the Google shares 42.3% market. In China, Baidu search engine have a share of 24.8%. So Baidu is a one type of search engine. If you would like to know how the Baidu is working or what is the Baidu search engine, then here I have typing Baidu search engine, baidu.com. So it will display a Baidu search engine. So it's a Chinese language, you may know. So the Baidu is a one type of search engine. Suppose in Baidu search engine I will write down Spkm, Jetpur and search in, it will give me a result like this. See. So if you are using a Baidu search engine because it's a Chinese language. So Baidu is share 24.8% in China. It is the only market in where Google has less than 60% of the market share. Here is some information of countries where search engine other than Google are used. In different countries, different search engine may be used or popular. It may not be possible the Google is everywhere used, but some country will use their own search engine, or it may gives a better result than the Google. So here we see the China Baidu search engine with 75% market share. So we can say that Baidu is a most popular search engine in the China. Somewhere in Russia, Yandex search engine with 65% market share. So we can say that the Yandex is also a 65% market share in Russia. South Korea, Naver search engine 75% market share. So we can say that in South Korea, Naver search engine is most popular. Czech and Republic, Spkm search engine with 45% market share. So we can say that Spkm is the most popular market search engine in the Republic. So these are the search engines which are most popular on a specific countries. So now, optimization for specific countries. So how you can optimize these specific countries? Most international business face problems for addressing themselves as a local in the eyes of search engines. Most of the international business facing this type of problems. The locally eyes of search engine is popular. Factors which contribute international ranking success are: the first one is get a proper domain extension for the country which are targeting for the business. So in previous examples or lectures we have seen the domain extension. .info is there, .business is there, .government is there. So here it specified the proper domain extension for the country which we are targeting for the business. .co.in, that means country.india. So this proper domain extension for the country will help them. Hosting a website in the country where we have the targeted business. If we have a targeted business, then we would like to host our website on that particular countries so that we can get a better result. Registering a website with a local search engine. If you would like to register your website on a local business, local search engine, then here is some links given which will help you to register your website with this search engine. So here the Google has given a link, Yahoo has given a particular link, Bing search engine has also given a link. So you can use it. Link other website with a site from the same countries. If the same country different website is there, then you can link it so that you will get the better result. Need to use a native language on the site. If you need to use a native language on a particular site, you can use it. Providing a relevant local address on each page of the page. If the relevant address of a business is providing a particular site or a web page, then it gives a better result on a particular country search. Define a preferred region in Google Webmaster Tools. So Google is also providing a Webmaster Tools in which you can select the specific region so that you will got the result of a particular result. All of the above factors provide a strong signals engine about the country which are targeting and can make them so the targeted set for the relevant local result. So if you specified a strong signals so that search engine of a particular country will target on a particular country, and if the target is clear, then it shows the result of the relevant local business or a particular country-wide business, which will be helpful to all the users. So these are the things which can be used on a country-specific search engine.